Alright guys, welcome back to another edition of Utah Single Tracks. Still working on the 2021 KTM 300XC bike build. And tonight I am working on installing a Bulletproof Designs chain guard. So I'll try and zoom in here and get you a part number. But we're going to go ahead and get this installed on the bike, and we'll show you how that's put on. All right, we're back here at the bike. Now we're going to need to remove the stock bolts off of the swing arm. So go ahead and get those removed. I'm using an 8mm T-handle wrench. These come in really handy working on bikes. So I'm going to go ahead and drop this down. Okay. Now, so now we're going to put some blue Loctite on the bolts that are provided with chain guard. I'm going to feed this through, get that one started to hold it in place. And now I'm going to put a little bit of blue Loctite on this other bolt. Get everything lined up. Take my 8mm T-handle. Begin to tighten. Tighten the bolts and snug everything in where it needs to be. And that is your install of the rear guard on the 2021 KTM 300XCW. Thanks for joining us on another episode of Utah Single Tracks. Give us a like and subscribe. Thanks guys.